Hi, I'm Angela Greig, and welcome to the second semester APES open house presentation. Our syllabus is the same as what we used in the fall, but note that the grade weights have changed for the spring, and that's because we're an AP class and so we don't have a final exam. So what we've done is increased the summative assessment category to make up for that loss of the final exam, so that's now moved from 50% in the fall, so tests now count 60% of the final grade in APES. I'm available for extra help during web blocks A through C. I'm also available after school on Tuesday afternoons and before school on Wednesday mornings. And if you should need to contact me, my email address is listed there. I use CTLS to share the assignments with the students. And we still use my AP extensively for practice to help get the kids ready for the exam. As far as the curriculum, we are roughly halfway through. So in the fall, we ended on the first half of Unit 5. And here in the spring semester, we've picked up with the second half of Unit 5. And all along the way, we've been incorporating those Unit 9 topics. So at the end of the year, there won't be a separate Unit 9. We've just been incorporating those units along the way where they've been relevant to the curriculum. And all of this is leading up to AP Exam Day, which is Tuesday, May 2nd at 8 o'clock. And just as a refresher of the format of the exam, it's in two sections. The first section will be 80 multiple choice questions. It's roughly 90 minutes, and it is 60% of the score. And then section 2 is 3 free response questions. It's 70 minutes, and it comprises 40% of the score. If you should have any questions, please feel free to contact me at the email address listed here. And thank you for listening.